Jerry fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Kritika Jariwala. If you're new over here, welcome back. And if you are already old over here, I love you guys. So in today's video, I have created this nice, lovely, vibrant makeup look. As you can already see, I've used this Swiss Beauty palette. This is a water activated eyeliner palette, and I wanted to try out water activated eyeliners since a long time. So here it is. Let's create this look, starting off with some hydration. As you can see, the standard step which I do in my routine, going ahead with hyphen barrier care cream. आप देख सकते हो मुझे ये क्रीम इतना पसंद आया कि मैंने लिटरली इसको यूज़ कर लिया है पूरा till the end. And you can see, in no time, within few seconds, it will leave my skin looking super juicy, glossy, dewy. I just love this product. Then using my Renee's Bollywood blurring primer, see on my forehead, right, it really cut through that shine. So I would say it's a decent primer. Like, the for the price point, it's a very decent primer. And now I'm just applying my translucent powder on my T-zone. This is a hack of lately I've been loving, so please check it out for yourself. But it really then allows my concealer to blend and sit very well. So this hack literally blew my mind. I did not believe it for the first time when I saw it on Instagram, but when I did it and then I gave it a couple of tries, I was like, wow, this hack really works. So here it is. Okay, story time, story time, story time. Let's talk. So of lately, or maybe you can say since a few months, I was trying to look out for a good loungewear set, like clothes to wear at home, which will look good, cute, monochromatic, and at a decent price point. Like whenever I go to West Side, it's good, but then the price point is a bit high. Like, I don't understand why to pay like 1,000 or 1,500 for like घर के कपड़ों के लिए. And it was not even like that worth it for me personally. Like, they have good loungewear set, no doubt, comfortable as well, but बस वो print या overall वो मुझे इतना intrigue नहीं करता था कि मैं जाके इसको खरीद ही लूँ. So I tried the local shops in my area as well, but still nothing suiting my taste. Like, वो loungewear set, I like it to be monochromatic with like cute prints. I really don't like now, बचपन में जो मम्मी पहनाते थे with that flower prints or with those vibrant colors, with those polka dots, all of that. So no, that's not my taste now. So I was checking out. So basically I always just checked offline stores, but I could really not find anything of my choice. And particular night, I was just like, let me scroll through Zivame. So first I went on Zivame. Now again, they have cute sets, but the one particular set which I really liked was not in my size. And then the remaining ones were like full length, full sleeves, and I'm not a person who personally likes full sleeves a lot. Like, I really like my shorts and like medium length of sleeves. And Zivame was just showing me those options, and then I was like, what, chuck it, let me just try Amazon. And oh my god, I went on Amazon and there are these two brands, if I remember correctly, Zoya and KSHS. I have them linked in my Instagram profile, in my Amazon highlight links on my Instagram, so please go and check it out. But you guys, I just paid 500 bucks for one entire cord set, and it looks so good. It's just amazing, pretty, and comfortable. I was shocked. Like, Amazon gave me the loungewear of my dreams. So I really wanted to come here and talk about it. So please do check out my Instagram for that. It's they are just like amazing, cute loungewear sets. And finally, in my makeup video here, I'm doing my eyeliner. As you can see, I activated my eyeliner using that setting mist, but आप water भी use कर सकते हो. And I'm applying it very slowly, very nicely. And in one swipe, I was really impressed with the payout. And देखो, excitement में ना ये liner मेरे crease पे लग गया. But ऐसा कुछ हो जाए, so don't panic. Just let it set. वो थोड़े time set होने दो, उसको थोड़ा हार्ड होने दो, एंड देन यू जस्ट वाइप इट ऑफ यूजिंग योर वेट वाइप्स और makeup remover wipes or anything basically you have. And yeah, that's it. Now a feedback on this palette. It's a good palette. The colors are popping, you guys. If you like neon vibrant colors, this is the palette for you. The only drawback, one small drawback it has, is that it is a bit chalky. I won't say it's the best gel water activated eyeliner out there in the market. It's a bit chalky and मुझे एक दो बार ट्राई करना पड़ा, समझना पड़ा कि कितना पानी लेना है, कितना क्या करना है. वो बहुत जल्दी से ड्राई अप भी हो जाता है. So it will take you few tries to really understand how to use this palette. But overall a good palette. It is a bit chalky, yes, that's one thing, but it's a good palette. You will get a good payout of it, and the price is just 300 bucks or even more, less than that. So on within that price you're getting a decent product. And as I always say, Swiss Beauty is a good brand. You get affordable products and like good products. So yeah, I can skip out on the chalky part, but overall it just gave me a nice, perfect, vibrant summer makeup look, which I really wanted. And now I just added my bronzer on my eyes so that everything has color and everything just looks good. Moving on and applying my Swiss Beauty blush. I thought this would complement my eyes really well. आप ब्रश की मदद से भी इसे अप्लाई कर सकते हो, बट ये पर्टिकुलर ब्लश आई प्रेफर टू अप्लाई विथ माई फिंगर्स, क्योंकि ब्रश की मदद से ना ये थोड़ा आपकी फाउंडेशन को हिला देगा. सो दैट्स वाई, बट अदरवाइज नथिंग बैड अबाउट इट. A great product again. And then just setting using my Mars blush. Again, I thought this would really complement overall look. So yeah, and then I'm just going ahead with my Meryl Luminizer. अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे ओल्ड हो तो आपको पक्का पता होगा, this is one of the best highlighters, my favorite highlighters in the market, and I keep on using it every now and then. And just see, look at the glow this highlighter has given. It's amazing. I love highlighters, and this is going to be always my OG favorite highlighter. So you guys, it's worth an investment. And ये mini size में भी आता है, तो I would to suggest go and buy that mini size, क्योंकि ये बहुत चलेगा आपको. It's not like within a month or 2 months it's gonna be over. It will take years to finish off these products. So always take the mini sizes. And now I'm just doing my mascara. I always forget to do my mascara. इसके लिए ना वो मेरा हमेशा वीडियो का लास्ट पार्ट होगा mascara. But anyway, here we are, and just finishing it off the look by applying lipstick. I've used this Maybelline's liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Lover. Yep, Lover, a perfect pink purple undertone, perfect lipstick to complement this eye makeup look. Loved it. You can stop right here, but I just wanted to tone down this lipstick a little bit, and hence I went ahead and mixed it with my Fave Beauty lipstick in the shade Bang. And did you see it toned down the lipstick for me? Because as I said, I want my eye to do all the talking, my eye should get all the attention. I wanted my lipstick to keep very muted and minimal. So this is what I did, and then just finishing it off by using lip gloss. As I said, आपको matte lips पसंद है तो you can skip out on lip gloss, and अगर आपको glossy lips पसंद है then this is it. Again, setting my face by using that spray and just dabbing everything off with tissue. I keep on using setting sprays a lot, because that is one of the way to ensure that your makeup really lasts, especially in summer. And टिश्यू की मदद से वो खाली पाउडर्स ही नहीं, बट ऑल द एक्सेस ऑयल जो भी होगा आपके फेस पे, इट विल पिक अप. सो हेंस ट्राई दी स्मॉल hacks, and I'm sure it will make difference in how your makeup looks, how your makeup lasts, how your base looks. So yeah, that's it you guys. This is my final makeup look. I thoroughly loved it, and आपने देखा ये बहुत easy था create करने को. So please create it for yourself, and that's it from my end. I will see you. Bye.
It's all